want to try some tasty noodles with black bean sauce and chicken. So keep watching. Here's the recipe for this delicious food for your weekend. Very easy to make and yummylicious to eat. Marinated it. To marinate the chicken, you need to take some ginger garlic paste, table salt, some dark soy sauce, some rice vinegar. Also put red chili crushed or powder, your choice. Mixed and marinated it. Now I'll put it to fry. My chicken is frying now, as you can see. I'm not deep frying it, I'm just using a fry pan to fry it lightly till it's golden brown. I have taken Blue Dragon medium egg noodles. Some cloves, that's the chopped, chopped garlic. So now these are my vegetables for my noodles. So that's your choice, completely yours, that what vegetables you want to add to your noodles. So I have put some carrots, chopped, finely chopped, and some beans. I'm going to fry that first. So cabbage, peppers, red pepper, green pepper, whatever color pepper you want, you can give it. Stir it well for 2 minutes, and then after you add your noodles. So now I've taken out my vegetables and added some slices of onion and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. I will stir it so that the all smell goes away. And then I'm going to add some sauce of tomato ketchup, some chili sauce, then mix it with some soya sauce, more soya sauce, and then some rice vinegar. And now I'm going to add some water to it. When we see the sauce is boiling, we are going to add our fried vegetables and noodles. My chicken, I have sliced some onion and put it in the same saucepan in which I have fried my chicken. To make the sauce for my chicken, I'm going to add a little bit of ginger garlic paste again. And to make the sauce, I'm using here the special Blue Dragon black bean sauce. So this is the Blue Dragon black bean sauce. You just fry your vegetables and then add the sauce. So I just remember that I want to add some capsicum, that is the green pepper, to my chicken. So I'll add fried some capsicum to the same saucepan. My peppers and capsicum. Stir it well. Then add all of the chicken. Water to it. And now I'll add all my ingredients for noodles. The fried vegetables and my noodles all gone inside. Mix it well to make it ready. If you want, you can add some chili flakes to it to make it more spicy. Soy sauce. I'm going to add some salt to it. Some pepper. Black pepper powder. Mix it well. Pouring my black bean sauce to my chicken. Little bit of water just to mix it well. Now mix it. So that's my chicken. I mixed the sauce in it and I let it simmer for 5 more minutes so that it all get absorbed well in the chicken and vegetable, the sauce which I have put. And that's it. It will be ready. So do you want to try some tasty noodles with black bean sauce and chicken? So keep watching. Here's the recipe for this delicious food for your weekend. Very easy to make and yummylicious to eat.